So first, um, you have to prepare noodle. So that's the Japanese noodle that you can purchase at Korean store. I live in Chicago, so there's the H Mart. There is like a various kind of Japanese noodle, and it has also good thing is that it has soup, so you can just put the soup um, when you cook. Okay, so now I prepare like a boiled egg. Sometimes the knife doesn't work well, so you have to sharpen it with the machine, and then you cut onion and green onion are typical Korean food ingredient. So many Koreans are using these two and plus garlic. But at this time I don't put garlic. And I put them and wash green onion. Yeah, green onion is just almost every food. I mean, to me, I just put as regular basic ingredient. Um, if you like a spicy, yeah, that's really good because it boosts the taste. I love spicy. So all the ingredient, I mean the vegetable that I cut, just put in a plate. And now I purchased the iced Korean piece cake. So I put a purchase information below. You can check it out. So it was iced, and I realized that it was really good taste. And it has also soup. It's very good that you can just put the soup later. It's iced, so you have to melt it a little bit. So I put microwave, and now you prepare a pan with oil. So I put sesame oil, and I cut also after melting the Korean piece cake. So I just cut it in a regular size. If it's too big, I mean you can just put big size, but I don't like because my kids doesn't like big ones. So I just cut um, just right size for my family. And put microwave, little melted. By the way, yeah, I prepared the basic with oil and mix with the Korean fish cake soup. So you can just stir it and put the vegetables that I prepared. So slowly you can stir together. Not too much. I mean, what I'm saying, if you you have to adjust about the fire. It's not that too strong, but maybe maybe middle range of the fire. You have to adjust time to time. If it's too hot, then the vegetable gonna be boiled too much. And you mix with the Korean fish cake together, and you can stir up well, slowly. but faithfully, so that you can well mix together. By the way, you just cool down the egg, and now you can put them in a bowl and cover with the lid. Whatever, you can just shake it so that the shell, right, it's gonna be smooth and then broken, and it's easy, very easy to take out, peel up. I don't know, take out the what is that? The shell, the egg shell. It's really easy. Yeah, I glad that I found this way. You know, like I just try this and that once. Sometimes I found, wow, that's a really easy way to do something. Like, you know, so it's good that you try. You know, always try something better way. You know, that you are learning and then sharing that skills. You know, this is the small thing, but I like to share with you so they can help you to save time. And all, and don't forget, always you have to wash your egg, you know, because sometimes there's the egg shell, so you must wash. Okay. Time to time you have to also, you know, stir so they can well mixed, and you can also put the water when you think it's well mixed and all together and taste it. Oh, that's really nice taste. Delicious. So, you know, you put the soup, you know, the instant soup, it can make it tasty. Now you can prepare like a noodle, and also in the noodles there is also instant soup, so you can just sprinkle a little bit and taste it after that. And also I prepared like you cut the egg. I usually cut half. It's up to you, whatever. And now I just I prepared like, you know, the shrimp with already prepared like before cooking. So I just put them into oil, and you can just stir a little bit and mix with with the oil. You have to really remember, I mean, you have to know that you have to put in them into the oil completely. So a little bit, just manage it. And then after that, like 10 minutes, I believe, you can take them out. Wow, it looks really nice. Look at that. That's amazing. So it's very easy. You just boil it, boil the oil, and then you can put them. But you have to use also olive oil. I really recommend it strongly. And you put like a, you know, paper towel underneath, and so the oil is drained. By the time I usually prepare also seaweed. Seaweed you can purchase also as well at the Korean market, any places you live. And I also prepare vegetable. I don't have vegetable other, so I just use the spinach. Now the boiling water, and put the noodle and stir it again. Well, mix with the hot water. Loosen them, and after done, I just put them right away in the bowl without putting them in the cold water, and put hot, I think well done, the soup overall in a bowl. Yeah, it looks very delicious. Look at that. So this is hot and ready. And the Korean, rice, fish, rice cake looks really good. And I put the shrimp, all the ingredients that I prepared, one by one, make it look kind of nice, and a little bit of spice. Hot pepper, and vegetables, green onion that I chopped. So you can just put whatever you like it. Little kind of design, I don't know. Yeah. And a Korean sesame seed. That's the typically also many Koreans use it. It's done. Don't forget that God loves you so much.